Man, what the fuck is this? Who supposed to drive in this shit? Man. God damn, I'm like, oh, look at this shit. Can y'all see one? This shit heavy. It's getting sticky. Nah, for real, look at this shit. Man, this shit real. Look, motherfucker pulled over. Yeah. Man. All I want is some eggs and toast. But I'm on a diet. A little coffee, a little orange juice. God damn. Look at this. Look, people all up under the bridge. Look, they up under the bridge. Boy, it's tough. It's tough out here, man. In the great state of Texas, you hear me? Where everything bigger, even the rain. Looking at it. Nah, I'm just playing. I love all the states, man. I love all y'all. I fuck with all y'all, but somebody come fuck with this rain with me, though. Look, look. Look at this rain. Do you hear me? Well, I know y'all hear me. Do you see it? Goddamn. I know you see it. I know you see it. Boy, it look like it's about to flood out here. I left my ark at home. I know it. Yeah, I left my Noah's ark at home. I know it. I don't know him, but I know it. Look at that. God damn, I need a boat out here. I'm on a jet ski. I need a jet ski, baby. I need a jet ski so I can. You feel me? Yeah, youngster, me on Beach Street. Looking at it. Yeah, this damn show, Beach Street, show live. What a saying that around it. Boy, we is out here. Look at that car, skiing. Them over like skiing. Hey, look at, man, they pulled over around here, boy. They scared to drive in this shit. They scared to come outside. They scared to put it in drive. Man, I'm out. I'm out, man. This shit crazy. I lied like a bitch. I'm still recording like a motherfucker. Yo. This shit crazy. This shit crazy. Boy, look, we all look like we skiing out here. Look, yeah, look at that motherfucker right there. Yeah, get it. Get it. All the catches ass. But look, my shit, look at my shit. My shit want to, fishtail if you want to, motherfucker. It's cool. I hold on fast and free. I know how I do this. My line there. Put your houses, put your houses on. Turn them houses off, man. Shit, ain't nothing out here. A little water. You know, my little water. Everybody, look. Houses. I ain't no houses. I'm hungry, though. See, that's why y'all supposed to pray for y'all trips. God, thank you for my trip. Thank you, Christ, I pray for the day. Amen. Because I'm a man. Boy, this is ridiculous. This shit deep. Man, look at what this shit. It's getting sticky. Hey. It's getting sticky. Looking at it. Man, this shit fun. I need to pull over and roll up. That's what I need to do. I ain't scared of the rain, but I need to roll up though so I can smoke. Goddamn, I like that. Woo, we out here jet skiing, baby. Yeah! Look at this. Let me get over so I can jet ski. Oh, hold on. We jet ski too. Yeah, I got scared. They hit that break that off for the. I go smash on. Yeah, I ain't scared. I'll do a donut in this shit if wasn't nobody gonna get hurt. I swear to God. Oh, well. A lovely, lovely day. Lovely day. Flying V, get the fuck out the way. Lovely day.